गोयचो कायदो आणि सुव्यवस्था दिसान दीस पेड्ड्यार जायत चल्ला आणि ते नियंत्रणात हाडपाक सरकार अपयशी थारला अशें हळदोणचे आमदार कार्लोस हाणें म्हटलां. गोंय हें आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्यटन थळ. चार्टर विमानांनी येवपी पर्यटकांचो आंकडो आतां उणो जावन कमी दर्जाचे पर्यटक येवपाचें प्रमाण गोंयांत वाडलां. हाचो थेट परिणाम सरकाराक मेळपी येणावळीचेर जाता असो हुस्को ताणें उक्तायला. राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणांत हे मुद्दे अधोरेखित केल्ले ना अशें कार्लोसान म्हटलां.
Now, Sonali Phogat case created national headlines. We also have the drugs-related matters, where we have Hyderabad police coming to Goa. It is completely shameful. Though I can tell you one thing, that I know that our Director General of Police, Mr. Jaspal Singh and Omveer Singh, are good officers. But down the line, if the system does not work, they cannot handle the situation. I think something has to be done, and we need to attend to these situations. The Honorable Chief Minister recently spoke about a waste management scam, and I wrote to the Honorable Chief Secretary that he spoke about that he has seen that people have pilfered funds which are for the waste management, and I have called upon Chief Secretary to have an FIR registered, book these people, arrest them, name them and shame them, because we don't want another Labour Gate scam like how there were BJP functionaries who were involved collecting money as labourers, and including one ZP member of Bardes Taluka. We are a state which welcomes tourists. After mining, next is tourism. But the kind of tourists which are coming, this riff-raff we don't want. They are cooking on the roads. They drive in any manner which they desire. They hang out of vehicles. They do stunt on vehicles. Even today there was a photograph showing on Atal Set, on our Zuari Bridge, how they were coming out and sticking out, hanging out of a taxi. We don't want this kind of tourists. We had quality tourists, and Goa was known all over as international destination with tourists coming in chartered flights. Today they are coming in treks and tempos, and they don't even contribute to our economy. I think we need a complete overhaul of the system, and I think the government and the governor should have taken care to address this situation.